This is DJI Mini 5 Pro, and today I'll show how you can factory reset the aircraft. So in this video in particular, I'll show how you can pretty much erase all data and settings from your aircraft, and we'll have another video on how to completely factory reset the remote controller too as well. So stay tuned for it. Well, I mean, if you see this video, that means that the other one is already released. So if you need assistance with factory resetting the remote controller, refer to that video, please. Now, in order to hard reset the aircraft itself, make your way to the DJI Fly app, then go fly. Wait for the RC in aircraft to be connected. Now launch settings through this little icon at the top right, go into the about section, scroll down and make two, but actually, nah, not really, you would just, one will be good enough. So here, select the clear all data option, read what data will be erased. I mean, since you're looking to factory reset the aircraft, I would expect you to know. But anyway, get acquainted or accustomed with the consequences of this procedure, of this option, of this feature, whatever, and then press the clear button. Now wait a few seconds, allow your drone to be restarted, reloaded, and it will repair itself to the aircraft, or to the RC, excuse me, no problem. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.